Welcome to the exciting world of woodpeckers, one of the most unique birds in nature. With its powerful beak and exceptional skills, woodpeckers are not only an important part of the ecosystem, but also one of the wonders of natural creativity. Woodpeckers belong to the family Picidae, and they are notable for their hard beaks and compact heads. But the most special thing about them is how they use their minds. Woodpeckers have a distinctive skeleton and muscles that help them smash their beaks against tree trunks without injury. With each beak smash, woodpeckers not only make a characteristic call, but also help them find food. This mechanism not only helps them maintain balance, but also minimizes the impact of collisions on the brain thanks to the special padding between the skull and brain. Woodpeckers live mostly on insects and vermin under the bark. They use their long, pointed beaks to drill into tree bark, explore nooks and crannies, and search for prey. Woodpeckers' tongues are long and sticky, enabling them to obtain insects that cannot be touched by their beaks. This is a perfect adaptation to their diet. Woodpeckers are not only talented hunters, but also nest builders. They drill into dead tree trunks to create a safe nest where they can lay eggs and raise their young. Woodpeckers lay 2 to 5 eggs in a single spawn, and both parents are involved in incubating the eggs and caring for the young birds. When young birds hatch, they will stay in the nest for some time to grow before leaving the nest. Woodpeckers not only play an important role in controlling insect populations, but also affect the surrounding ecosystem. When they drill into tree trunks, they create holes, giving other animals like birds, bats, and bees a place to live. These vulnerabilities also help trees decompose naturally, facilitating the regeneration of ecosystems. So woodpeckers are not just insect hunters, they're an integral part of the ecological cycle of forests. Even though woodpeckers are highly adaptable animals, they still face many threats, including habitat loss and climate change. Forests being cleared reduce the number of dead trees, where they often nest and forage. To protect woodpeckers and other animals, we need to take measures to conserve and protect their habitats. Tree planting and forest protection programs are the best way to help maintain biodiversity and protect woodpecker species. Woodpeckers, with their uniqueness and adaptability, are a wonderful example of nature's creativity. Through their quest for food, nest building, and ecosystem impact, they show their importance in the natural world. Let's work together to protect the habitat of woodpeckers and all other animals so they can continue to survive and thrive in a vibrant natural world. Welcome to the magical world of woodpeckers, one of nature's most unique birds. Today, we will explore how woodpeckers use their special skills to catch prey and maintain life in forest environments. Woodpeckers belong to the family Picidae and are notable for their long, pointed, and very hard beaks. One of their most interesting features is the way they use their beaks to drill into tree bark and forage for food. Woodpeckers use their beaks as a drilling tool, repeatedly striking tree trunks to create small holes. These sounds not only help them search for insects, but also help locate prey beneath the bark. When a woodpecker feels hungry, it will look for a suitable tree to exploit. In search of food, it will drill into different areas of the tree, relying on sounds and sensations from the beak to determine whether there are insects or not. Woodpeckers' tongues are very long and sticky, helping them get insects deep in the bark. When the beak drills into the tree, the tongue wraps around the prey and pulls it out. In some cases, woodpeckers may work together in search of food. When there are multiple woodpeckers operating in the same area, they often coordinate to cover a wider area and forage more effectively. This strategy enhances foraging and at the same time minimizes competition between individuals in the same area. Woodpeckers are not only talented insect hunters, but also play an important role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. When they drill into trees, they create holes that many other animals can use. These vulnerabilities not only help other animals find shelter, but also contribute to the decomposition of trees, facilitating the regeneration of ecosystems. Even in extreme weather conditions, woodpeckers are constantly searching for food. Heavy rain or winter can make finding food more difficult, but woodpeckers have developed adaptive skills to deal with these challenges. With its drilling ability and sticky long tongue, woodpeckers can still search for prey even when food sources become scarce. Their perseverance and skill are key to surviving in harsh natural environments. Even though woodpeckers are highly adaptable animals, they still face many threats from human activity, including habitat loss and climate change. Conservation activities are necessary to protect their habitats. Protecting and restoring woodpecker habitat not only helps maintain this bird, but also contributes to protecting the entire ecosystem of which they are an important part. Woodpeckers, with their special skills and importance in the ecosystem, are an integral part of the natural world. Through their foraging journey and interaction with the environment, they show great creativity and adaptability. Let's work together to protect the habitat of woodpeckers and all other animals so they can continue to maintain the balance and richness of the ecosystem.